Obviously did quite a lot of rips today, a lot of rabbits and stuff. The bag though, you guys gotta try this. I took the side plate off of the table saw because, you know, PVC likes to gum up and shoot back at you, but I mean, we're talking, there is a ton of dust that would be in a massive pile on this driveway. So I'll take the table saw off and we'll check it out right now. Look at all that. There's like 8 inches of dust right there. That's quite a bit for the cheap cost of a construction bag that we all already have. Give it a try.